In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new tab to a page that already has existing tabs on the ASU English department site. The first thing you need to do is sign in, then click on the Customize This Page button at the bottom of the screen. So you'll see that it changes to the layout. These are panels, and what we need to do is change the style of the region that holds the tabs from tabs to default. So I just clicked on default region style, and I'm going to click next. Now I have to save the page. And what this does is it arranges the content of the tabs in the order from top to bottom, being from left to right. So now I want to add a new tab, so I'll click Customize This Page again. And I can just click on the content, the plus content, add a new pane. And generally speaking, when you're adding a content item to a WebSpark page, generally you're always going to just say text, add text, because once you get a text box, you can add images to it, you can add videos, you can add whatever. So the text one is actually the most open for you. Text. We'll give it a title. Now this will be what will appear as the tab header, so to speak. So you do want to try to keep these fairly short. And I'm just going to put in something like videos. You can leave these all unchecked. You do have to add just something in the text box for it to save. You don't have to worry about anything down there. Just click Add. And now the trickier part is to grab onto the move icon and drag it to the appropriate place. Now what I'm doing is I'm holding my mouse button down and using the wheel to scroll. Now this can get a little tricky, and sometimes you'll lose it, and that's it's just something you have to kind of get used to. It's not the easiest way to arrange these, obviously. Not quite sure where we want to put this, but I'm going to try to get it towards the end here. List, word impact. And this one is particularly complicated because it has so many tabs that it ends up being 2 rows. So I think actually I'm going to put this up more by the family history along those lines, because that's a long bit of text and this is short. We'll see. But this is how you also arrange the order within the tab structure once we change it back to tabs. So right now that blank one is right here. I had to click Save, so now I'm going to customize again. Scroll back up the page. Click on the region style again for this content area. And now I'm going to change this back to tabs. Click Next. You don't have to give any sort of title or anything like that. So we'll click Save, and then click Save again because we need to save it for the panels. And then now if we refresh it, it might look a little better. There we go. So you can see, yeah, the reason this text is so long that I had a feeling that it would fit better up at the top here. And so now, and the person wants to edit this content, they click on Customize this page. They don't have to change anything. They can just click here on the gear icon and now edit and add their content as they need to. Then always remember to click Save when you're finished. And sometimes you have to click Save multiple times. It's just a quirk of the way that they arranged WebSpark. And you do have to hit refresh since it has to refresh the menu and everything like that. Okay, so that's it. Fairly simple once you get used to doing it, but a little bit tricky because it's not really intuitive. So if you have questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.